Hi everyone. As promised, I am in the process of making a tree of life for Miss Abby with the 4 seasons. If you follow me, she was my baby, and I love her so much, and I miss her. And I am making 4 seasons in her memory, and I'm including her name tag and some little charms that I purchased. I will put them in the description box in little kitties. And also, I'll be making another tree of life for someone else who lost their baby. But I will go through as much as I can with you. Like I said, this is not meant to be a tutorial. This is more my way of sharing my grief and my love with you. And this weekend I'll be busy. I did not complete this last tree. I will show you how I attach the wires and how I try to get every tree to look pretty much the same. The only thing that's going to change are the colors for each season in New England where I live. And I will share with you the best that I can my project, because I need to. And I want to thank you guys for always being there. It's a struggle. It's really not easy right now. And poor little Finn, he's having a hard time, but he's such a good boy. So if you don't know who I am, I'm Marianne, and this channel is all about the tree of life and my babies with fur. So check out my playlists and you will see Abby and Finn. Also, you'll see This Is Me, and This Is Me, where I share everything I know with you.